Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This time we're looking at the InFlight Folio and the Prestige Folio, both from Laut. So let's get these checked out, let's get them on the iPad, and let's see what we think about them. So these are the two cases in question that we're going to be talking about today. This is the Prestige Folio. This is the InFlight Folio, both from Laut. I'm going to leave links below to both of these cases so that you can go and check them out for yourself. But for right now, let's break them down. So the first one we're going to talk about is the InFlight Folio. Now this one is the lighter of the two. It has a hard plastic shell on the inside that your iPad is going to fit right down in. It has a standing mode, just like that. You're going to be able to take your iPad and stand it up in this mode right here. And then we got another mode that we're going to talk about once we put the actual iPad in this case. It has a cloth-like material around the outsides. It's magnetic, and it actually supports the sleep-wake functionality of the iPad. This one is the Prestige Folio. Now it is a little bit more heavy, a little more rugged. This one has a rubberized shell on the inside. It's not a hard backing, but it is rubber. It gives you a pencil holder right here, and it actually allows you to hold your pencil over here on the side through this rubber siding. Once again, you get this cutout, you get this orientation right here, just like so. Nice padded outside. It's going to protect against falls. Microfiber on the inside. Hard backing. Let's now get these on the iPad and let's see what we think about them. The first one that we're going to put on is the actual InFlight Folio. So this is the case itself. Here I have my iPad. I'm just going to drop it in. It has the pencil attached to it. Just snap it in. And there we go. This is how it's going to look. So right away we see camera is in a recess. It's not going to allow your camera to get messed up. It feels really good to the touch from the outside. Now you are exposed on the top, bottom, and the sides are exposed. But you also have Apple charging, auto sleep wake. There we go. There we go. Apple Pencil charging is a go. Next thing we're going to do is actually look at the different orientations that we have for this tablet. So our first orientation mode is the basic standard orientation. You're just standing, you're entertaining yourself, you're doing things of that nature, watching videos, movies, whatever. Second orientation mode, you're actually going to break it down just like that, and you're going to fold this back, making a stand just like that. It folds into a triangle, and then you get your typing mode. You can use this as a viewing mode as well, but this mode will more be suitable for typing rather than anything else. Your buttons are open, so they're nice and tactile. They're plain buttons, no cover on them, and all of our ports are open. So this is a really nice case. Like I said, I'll leave a link below to pick this up, but really nice case from Laut, InFlight Folio. Go by and check them out when you get a chance. Next case we're going to talk about is the Prestige Folio. Now remember I said this one is a little bit more heavy, a little bit more bulky. It has a rubberized backing. We're just going to drop this in. It just drops into the shell just like so. Make sure that it snaps all the way around. We're going to close it up. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to open it. Auto sleep wake. We got it. Now you have two ways of carrying your pencil here. First way, it actually does charging. So your pencil is going to be exposed, but it does charge on the go. If your pencil is fully charged, now what you do is snap it down on the inside, and you can carry it that way as well. When you want to release your pencil from this socket, you have a little hole right here that you can pop your finger through, and it pops your pencil out for you. Pencil can also stand up just like this, but most people won't use this feature in this tablet. And now we're going to talk about the orientation modes. So orientation number one, we get the basic entertainment And this actually folds over again, just like the other tablet case. And now you have your typing mode, just like that. All of our cutouts match up really well. We got our speakers on the bottom, a charging port on the bottom. We got speaker grill up top. Now, the buttons are pretty tactile. I don't have an issue with them. They press really nice. You don't have to put a whole lot of force behind them. Camera sits down in this groove, so you don't have to worry about it getting banged up. And the material is nice and sturdy. And remember, we do have the microfiber lining that's going to protect our screen over here. So there we have it, guys. 2 great cases, 1 great company. Laut, I want you to go by and check them out. I'm going to leave links below to both of these cases. You can go by and pick up your own. They also make these for the 12.9 iPad Pro. So go by and check it out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please share these videos. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.